1 2 1 2 testing 1 2. One two one two. 1 alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Hello everyone, we're going to start in literally 1 minute. If you want to start earlier, smash that like. Wagwan.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special.
Smash
to
that
hustle
like.
every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future. Is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Wagwan. Welcome back everyone. How are you today?
Good.
Awesome. Let's see, 10 people in the Zoom. Wow. 11, 12.
12.
How
It's
many we have on
counting.
the YouTube? 97 on YouTube. There's only 51 likes. So guys, if you want to keep this stream going, smash that like. Wagwan.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Sultan. How are you?
Oh, good.
Awesome. Did you guys catch that big fucking move on gold?
I was waiting on
可以假設佢因為
36,
正所以理解唔到人哋。
Yeah, it didn't.
We'll
It
check
didn't
with the
come.
news.
Yeah, but we still, you know, have some. Can you see my screen? Yeah, you can see. So, on gold, I can see really two possibilities. Now, the upside, because price is now trading close to the previous daily high, and let's see if we have the. Yeah, it's trading above the pivot point, so I see two possibilities. It's either going to wick down to the weekly pivot point and then continue higher, or goes above the previous daily high and then goes to 1960, because that was the target. But maybe we hit the ceiling and it's just gonna go, you know, straight down and then retest 1927, because what it looks like to me, it's a mini head and shoulders, maybe, but it's only what I imagine on the chart, so it's best to wait. I mean, this impulse move was pretty impulse, and sadly I couldn't start the Zoom earlier to catch the jobless claims. But what did we say this morning on the morning briefing? Who remembers?
If the data is good, then gold was going to drop.
The opposite. because if
What?
you, yeah,
What?
yeah, that's what we said, because I highlighted to you this morning that if the data is better, then most likely it's going to jump up 170 pips or something like last time. You see, this was better than expected data. So less people were claiming unemployment benefits. It jumped 134 pips. Today, data was way better than expected. And I think it was at 1:30, yeah, 11:30, 1:30. Where was the data release?
An hour ago. What is it? 1.5 hour?
30 minutes ago.
12:30.
30 minutes.
So you see it dropped below. So we have good chances that it's gonna go up. So I would target, and I'm entering into a buy now. Maybe. Yeah, it's only a really tiny lot. I'm targeting again 1956. You see the profit potential isn't great. It's not too much to offer, but the momentum was quite strong. So I'm gonna enter 2.5, stop loss 1944, take profit 1956. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Unlucky.
Just, yeah. All the people know that song.
Yeah, it's not the best risk-reward ratio nor profit, but you know, if someone missed this huge pump and dump, then you know, that's what we have to work with. And now let's have a look on YouTube. How are you, Thomas? Thank you so much. Very well. Can I buy now or too late? Well, I think I just answered the question. Wagwan Familia. That was the news. NATO preparing for risk of Russian nuclear incidents. It's fucking brilliant. Yeah. But next week, because now there was a time change in the US, which is every single year there is a 2-week difference between Europe and the US, but Europe is gonna move the clock to the summer. What is it? So the summertime. Yeah, summertime is coming. So on the 27th, I think this Sunday, we have to move back the clocks. So now it's going to be fine. So from next week on, we won't miss any of the news releases because now it's back to normal. It's going to be synchronized with the US. Jimmy is on YouTube. Why is he on YouTube? He's in the team now. He can join Zoom. But old habits don't die.
It keeps him quiet in the YouTube.
Yeah, maybe it's a good idea to have him on YouTube. I think B and Jimmy yesterday had a quite impulse intro into the group.
They make their entrance.
Chand Moon TV on YouTube. Sir, do you have any Telegram group where we can get your beast signals, please? Absolutely fucking yes. But we moved to Discord, so I don't have Telegram. Sorry. We have... Yeah. You know, we moved to Discord in January, and I still have people messaging me 4 months in. Can I join the Discord group? From the members. They didn't realize that we moved to Discord, and they were asking, why is there no analysis on Telegram? Okay, so Chan Moon TV, if you wish to join the community, get my analysis, morning briefing, etc., I just sent a link into the YouTube chat. Read that. And now we're going to have a look on the other pairs, because I sent us a few analysis this morning and I honestly had no chance to look at anything because I was busy today. So we're going to follow up. How did the morning analysis play out? Well, obviously gold you can see on the chart. Almost hit TP, but we have a daily pivot at 1956. Did anyone enter, or was anyone holding since yesterday?
Yeah, I was.
Hey, good
Yeah,
man.
I got out before the impulse down, so I got the profit. I took a small short, then I closed it immediately.
That's good.
Yeah, I got away with it, thank God.
I'm not sure what was it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I think the last 3 months, Marwan, you absolutely killing it, and Raul and some of the not old timers, but the older members in terms of like, you know, membership. I see
Yeah,
insane.
I'm really improving, you know, thanks to you and to the team and to the material that you have on, man, it's amazing.
Yeah, thank you. I definitely just every single days. Yeah, we have losses as well, but the team is just amazing. You guys do way much better than I am in terms of percentage and pips if we add up in a month. GU got closed out, but sorry, I'm just ramping around. GU. Okay, I think GU is gonna continue higher. We had this dirty move, but now back above the trend line, so I would use maybe a bit wider stop loss. And okay, we come back to this one. We had AUD USD as well. It's still moving sideways. US 30 on the chart you can see, and you can see that we have what I think is going to be a head and shoulders, and I'm expecting price to come back to retest the previous daily opening price to form the right shoulder of the head and shoulders. So I will be looking for entries at 34,000. Tong. I'm gonna
I thought so.
Yeah. She just said, yeah, I agree, Thomas. This is a fucking good analysis. So I will be looking for.
Fluent in many languages.
I speak many languages. I understand the dialects and, you know, body language and tones and, you know, everything. She said, "You sir are amazing. This is a big profit." So, selling opportunities on US 30 at 34,700. So if price comes back up to this level, I will be looking for sells, not above, not below. Spot on 34,700. I have the alert set, you can see, so I will be waiting for this big boy to come. Now GBP USD, come back to this in a minute. AUD USD is moving sideways. Gold is still recovering from this shizzle. So what we could see maybe is either a head and shoulders on lower time frame, or it's consolidating right here. For another breakout. Could this be a bear flag? What do you think? It looks like a bear flag, doesn't it?
A wedge.
Yeah, wedge, bear flag, some kind of consolidation. So maybe that buy wasn't smart.
If you look at the 4 hour, you'll see it's consolidating, and we're at the top of that consolidation. It's almost like that big impulse move was trying to catch some stops.
Yeah, but what, you know, higher time frame is always stronger, and the reason I entered into a buy because we have a massive wick, and I think that's gonna be filled. Look at this rejection at the previous daily high. If I switch back to MetaTrader, yeah, it's how many pips? It's it's a nice 76 pip move, or even 100 if it comes higher. So I'm just gonna move my stop loss a little bit higher, reducing the risk exposure. And now we just wait. But what do you think, guys?
As soon as you end the Zoom, that shit's gonna fly.
No, stop it. That shit's gonna fly.
I'm already
yeah.
in a long, so yeah, I think it's gonna go higher.
I did a couple of more positions in TP. My original one from yesterday when it shot up.
I go in and buy. Christine is in a buy, so she will push up the price with a lot sizes.
I think the macro is the Russian move with the ruble. I think that's making oil pump and gold will follow, because the Russians, they need the energy, and the Russians say, well, you've got to get in rubles, and I think that's turning things on its head. So I think that's pushing gold up a bit of macro.
Hey, Nick, our in-house economist.
Yeah, in-house Nick.
Rick
I just
in the house.
I just love that stuff. I love those articles you sent from Financial Times, man. I use them for my classes as well. They're great. I'm too
What
poor to pay for them
classes?
myself. I teach a few economics classes for
high school
students.
Yeah. Awesome.
So yeah, I make them read them so I can learn them, because I'm
I'll show you something which... Do you know ACDC economics?
ACDC? Oh, no,
Yeah.
I thought you were doing Akadaka. But yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, ACDC.
Oh, I'll look it up now.
I'll show you now. It's
Okay, sweet.
it's really cool. If you wanna, the attention span of kids and younger people is really, really short because of TikTok, Instagram. They get so much information within a short period of
Alright.
time. So you need to be boom, boom, boom. Just, you know,
Yeah.
put the information down in their throats, spoon feed them. And
All right.
yeah, this guy is fucking nuts. He does everything like supply and demand in 8 minutes, and he's really quick. Like, literally within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, he explains really complex economic theories in a really informative and funny way. So it's not just for kids, it's for adults as well. Easy to understand, only a few minutes long. All the videos, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 125.
Nice. Yeah, I'll definitely be using that. Thanks a lot, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, check it out. It's
Yeah, man.
fantastic.
Yeah.
And we have 200 viewers on YouTube. Straight 20 minutes in, we smashed 200 viewers. The only thing which bothers me that we have only 94 likes. How is that even possible, guys? And why is the... okay. Now the video is back. Perfect. And it looks like that gold doesn't really want my position. So, the risk, I opened, I wanted to show you this, I opened a slightly bigger position that I usually take. But if we have a look on the risk I have, it's 1900 pounds. So 1900 pounds on my account size is less than 1%. It's a lot of money, but focus on the percentage and the pips and not on the monetary term, and it will take you much further in your trading game. Come on, give that one more push to the upside.
No.
No. I'm gonna move this stop loss a little bit lower, increasing the risk to 2200. So it's still a little bit less than 1%. If I was open a smaller position, like half of what's on the screen, then I could allow myself a little bit wider stop loss. But because my lots are heavy now, cumulatively, I can only use a really tight stop loss. Oh, we're up 115 likes. Hey, Usman, how you doing? Wave. Who's that princess with you? Who's that beautiful girl? Is your daughter? Say hi to Thomas.
Say hi. Hi, Bolo.
Hello. Hello, little. Oh, two of them. Wow, there's a whole kindergarten with you. Are they better trader than you, Usman? Say Fibonacci. God, nice kids. I love when kids just randomly come to the YouTube stream or Zoom. Wakey wakey. We have 65 people in the Zoom and you made me do the talking. Let's see. We have Michelle, Andrew,
We are here.
Nick, Dilaur,
1 2 1 2.
Christine as well. No, Christine is not here. No, Pascal,
No.
Christine. Oh, we have Alan as well. Okay, the floor is yours.
I don't think so. I got nothing to add.
Oh, gold is going up. The question on YouTube by Zul Fadli. Gold buy or sell? What do you think, guys? Buy or sell?
Buy,
selling?
but
Who's selling gold? I'm sure some of you are selling. Step forward.
I'm favoring a buy, Thomas.
You selling?
Buying.
Oh, okay. Oh, I almost put you in the waiting room. Sorry, Alan, what did you say?
I said I'm favouring buy,
Hmm.
but it is ranging at the moment. It's just sort of, still that consolidation level.
Yeah, but if I switch back to TradingView, I still hold my stance that this wick should be filled, and price to retest 1956 at least, maybe a little bit lower. By the way, people on YouTube, what do you want to see? TradingView or my MetaTrader? Which one is more helpful? And I asked the same question to you guys in the Zoom. Which one do you prefer, TradingView or MetaTrader?
Definitely TradingView.
TradingView.
Mm-hmm. So far it's TradingView.
I vote for TradingView too.
Oh, hello, Christian.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I live in Germany.
Ah, wie geht's, my friend?
That's good.
Ja, ich habe Deutsch gelernt ein bisschen aus Schule. Ich verstehe ein oder zwei Worte. And that's all I know.
It's okay.
What does that mean?
Is it Christine?
Yes. What does that
Oh,
mean?
welcome back. It just
I'm
hello.
here.
I do speak
just
a little bit
muted.
of German. I learnt in English. I learnt in school. Sorry, not in English. Okay, okay. And now we profit, guys. Who's in a buy?
Me.
I think we all
Everybody,
are.
yeah, everybody.
let's go.
As long as Christine's in a buy, I'm not selling. So
Is Christine buying?
We all buy.
yeah, Christine must have
Good.
bought some more buys just now. So that
Yeah, I just bought more. I
Boom.
just added more.
I was in a buy and accidentally closed it. Stupid boy. Just as it was moving.
Okay.
Thomas, what do you think of my chart?
Of your chart,
Yeah,
where is it?
it's in the tab.
In share your chart.
Yeah.
You have really neat charts that if... Whoa! I need to show this on YouTube. That is... It means I should remove my TP higher.
I would.
That's exactly what I was about to ask you. Should
Whoa,
we
whoa,
remove
whoa.
TP?
Yes, I'm gonna...
Move your high, Thomas.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock in the 6 lots because that's gonna be 2.5k. So that's... I would be a fucking idiot if I don't lock it. But even 1.5k. If it comes up to 2k, I'm going to close it because man's got responsibilities and bills to pay. And yeah, going back to trading view or oh, gold is coming up. Okay, so people in YouTube, watch. I'm going to show you Delawre's. Oh, fucking hell! It's gonna hit my TP. I have to move higher. Okay, that's closed, and the other one is going to be a runner. I went out today, and it was so sunny, and you know, finally after long winter, the sun was, you know, on my face. I was wearing a hoodie, and you know, I'm just buzzing, full of energy. So I wanted to show Delawre's analysis to the people on YouTube. Is right here. So I hope you can see it. Delawre has really nice, neat and clean charts. So absolutely fan of this man's charts, and he's forecasting that gold is going to reach 1988. Can I post your chart link into YouTube?
Yeah, of course you can, Thomas.
So people, you know, people can take it as an example. And in the meantime, oh no, I can't. I can't because it's in Discord channel, so I can't post a link. But anyway, they saw the chart. So Mr. Delawre is forecasting 1988. Is it going to come today? We'll see. But we logged in already profit. Now we're just watching gold. Brandon on YouTube, thank you Thomas. I've made my daily profit. Wow, we're not even streaming less than 30 minutes, or just about 30 minutes, and we're already in profit. How awesome is that? If you made some profit, or if you think it's good, hit the like button. I think we have one more news today. No, just... Oh, manufacturing PMI in 13 minutes. Who made some profit in the Zoom today?
Yep.
1.
Yep.
2.
Yep.
3,
It'll be
4.
much better if a hunt accidentally comes
Yeah, man.
5,
Yep.
6,
Oh,
7.
good profit.
Oh,
Come on,
too,
guys,
me
a bit
too.
more energy. We made profit.
Booyakaka!
Woo.
Wagwan.
That is it.
Someone is calling me Papa on, on YouTube. Thank you, Papa. Mate,
Oh Lord.
you did just say I'm old. I'm an old fart.
No, I think the person meant to say daddy.
Yeah, but it's still, you know, it sounds like I'm a fucking fossil.
looking for a sugar daddy.
Yeah, the person looking for
That's
some
the
sugar.
problem.
You know, I'm playing on the other side of the street, so sorry, buddy. Tristan Sazar, thank you so much, Thomas. Love you from Malaysia. Love you too, brother. I'm just curious if I move my take profit to 1988, as Dilawar said. Let's call it 19. Yeah, move it there. With 2.5 lots, that would mean 7 grand. That is absolutely nuts. If it hits 2000 or 1000, about 1988, what should I do then? Giveaway. Or someone can go out and
Bring
dinner
some
with
new.
Raul. Yeah.
Is there someone who has his birthday again?
Nah.
Again?
If it hits 1988, I pay a can of Red Stripe to everyone.
Oh.
Red Stripe and chicken wings.
You book an holiday in Ibiza for the whole members group.
Nah, I've been to Ibiza
No.
once, and trust me, my liver, I got seriously liver damaged. It was 1 week, mate. We went there like, oh, we're going to destroy Ibiza, and then 2 days later, Ibiza destroyed
Ibiza
us.
destroy you.
It was a heavy weekend. Heavy week.
It's all about discipline, Thomas.
I was not disciplined in Ibiza. Anything but discipline. It was.
Sam took his stop loss off in Ibiza.
That was a heavy week. But really enjoyed it. But yeah, it's literally every single night we went out clubbing, and yeah, it was not good.
What kind of music are you into, Thomas?
I used to listen to techno, house when we had, you know, clubbing life, part of my life, and then you know, I like everything. I like 80s or 70s music as well. What is that? I have a Spotify playlist. You can look around.
Profila is nice. Techno.
Yeah, but you know, it's above 35. I don't really. I like.
Dutch trance is my sort of thing, Thomas.
Yeah, but you
So
will
I
be
think
surprised.
it's disco music.
Stay
Yeah, I like
alive.
all kinds.
Stay alive now.
Yeah, 70s, 80s disco music. I like Metallica, Iron Maiden. So I really like. The important thing is quality. And my God. Oh, someone is angry. I forgot the genre of the 70s, 80s black music. It's not downtown.
So.
No.
Look at
no,
US
no.
30, guys.
Oh, Motown type.
Motown, yeah, I really love Motown. Okay.
Shit.
US 30 is just pull out.
Wow.
It's absolutely melting, so
Wow.
I would close.
like that.
Yeah. But you know, we don't know what's going to happen. It could pull back because let me show you. It's trading above the previous daily price levels, previous daily close. So not all is lost. This area right here that you see is the daily candle since yesterday. So we're still trading within yesterday's range. And if it stays above the PDC and PDL, so previous daily low, then we have good chances it's going to go up. So the stop loss should be under the previous daily low. If it comes below these price levels, then I will shift my attention into sell opportunities. So nothing is lost.
It tested 2-3 times the daily pivot. Respected.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
That was for me the reason not to go in and buy.
Do you know how many people watching the stream right now? 251.
Congrats.
Good.
Thank you so much.
It
And
deserves
looks
the
like,
rooster sound.
Yeah.
let me just
look where the sound is.
Did you hear it? Can you hear the rooster?
It's somewhere, but
I can't play it for some reason.
there it is.
Can you hear it now? And ladies and gentlemen, what did I say about the fill of that candle? The wick? It happened. It happened and we locked in profit. I said it's gonna retest 1956 and did retest 1956. I should play the fucking lottery. But is it gonna go higher? I have no fucking idea. So make sure you lock in some profits, because that is crazy. And previous, no, actually that is if it goes above the next resistance level, you have to go down to lower time frame, for example the M15 or M5. You see already
M5 it shows double top along with the RSI diversion.
So we could expect a pullback on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
But if you look, this was what? This candle right here was an impulse move, wasn't it? And what is followed after an impulse move?
Retracement.
And where is it going to retrace?
61.
61, 70, 60, any of these levels. So what's possible that because it's an important resistance level that, you know, is gonna push down first for the retest or the retracement, and then with an impulse move smash through the resistance, retest it, and then boom, you blink and it's already at 1963. So Blue asking on YouTube, where did you place the stop loss? Let me show you. 1988. Because Dilauer analyzed gold and he said it's going to go up to 1988. But
that's just my analysis, Thomas. You don't have to follow it.
Yeah, but even if it goes up, I'm going to lock in profit because tomorrow is Friday, so I don't leave any positions open for the weekend. just laugh on YouTube. High sometimes 61.8 fib breaks when I buy or sell for the retracement. So how to confirm the correct entry? Excellent question. And I always say, I give you an example that, for example, you analyze on a higher time frame the 4-hour chart. That's why you have to, or daily or 4-hour, where you have to analyze. And for example, you mark a resistance level because that lines up with Fibonacci 61.80. So you expecting, you know, price is going down and comes back to retest. How do we know that this price level is the perfect entry level for a further downward continuation? So this is what you're expecting in case of retracement, and many people go stops out because price, you know, decides to go higher to 70, 60 or even higher. So how do you know that this is the resistance level? Well, it's really simple. You have to go down to a lower time frame and you have to monitor price action. I highly recommend the M5 or M15, and you have to watch the rejection. You know, price doesn't go up in a straight line. It goes up in, you know, forms market structure, higher highs, higher lows, taps into 61.80. If it respects 61.80, an impulse move will break the support and resistance, breaks the market structure, and that is the confirmation that yes, that is the level which is going to be the perfect entry level. But we still don't enter because every impulse move is followed by retracement, so you want to wait for price to retest. And when you see that impulse move, that's when you use the fib again on lower time frame. When it starts to retrace, guess what? Lines up with 78.60, and that is going to be your entry level. Stop loss just above the previous high. What it retested already, and it touched it already, and the retest right here is a retracement, so it shouldn't go anywhere above the previous high. And that's how you use stop loss, you know, tight stop loss, and that's how you confirm that this is a valid resistance level. I hope I answered your question. And now going back to gold, what is happening? So people are asking whether to buy us. Yeah, it's now, it's, you know, pulling back down. So
Hey Thomas, I have a follow-up question.
AB.
Hey, do you also use the fib on the 1 minute?
The who?
Can you also use it on the 1 minute?
Sorry?
Can you also use the fib on the 1 minute?
You can use fib on everything, even my
Okay.
you can use it on everything, on every single time frame.
Yeah, okay.
Even if
Understand
you can use fib on my channel analytics on YouTube. Yeah.
That's a joke, right?
That's a good question. That was the best question. It's a joke,
Yeah, you
right?
see, it's like a chart. You can use fib on this one as well. Now it's broke the previous high right here, so I think it's gonna continue even higher to 4,000 views.
Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know how to use fib, but I use price action, and my entry is always that one. And I'm a scalper, so sometimes I get confused when you talk about your TA. I try to hold trades, but it's only like from time to time. It really doesn't work out well for me.
Yeah, I think you are a good new addition to the ladies team because we have many scalpers in the ladies team.
Ladies are the best traders. Most consistent.
Damn right.
You're laughing. I don't try to mock you, Brian, but
PMI is,
it is just a fact. It's just a fact.
I agree. Actually, you know, you men are always making fun of us of driving, of doing things, but we are the more careful people.
Yep.
You guys are just driving crazy, are nervous about everything, are just angry about us. Yeah, you don't like women driving. Don't lie about
Sophie, you go tell him.
No, whoa. My wife is one of the best drivers I ever saw.
My wife
Seriously.
also. She drives a little bit slow, but
mine isn't. She's a good driver.
She is careful. She's not slow. She's just more careful.
I know.
My wife is really good at making me sandwiches, and that's a fact.
Guys, PMIs.
Oh, it's a bit.
She's the keeper.
Macho.
Nah, just jokes. She's beautiful and she's way smarter than me. Just joking.
No, I don't say that's.
You can't say anything else
You
because
can
it's
answer.
recorded.
Yes, it's
Oh yeah, I forgot.
so
Oh,
easy
no.
to react
I'm
on
finished.
that.
Yeah,
What you
I'm
say,
finished.
my friend?
Yeah. You might not see me again, guys. It's good knowing you. So
You make it so easy.
You said that your wife hear that.
it's okay. It's good knowing you guys. I'll see ya.
It was nice to know you too.
Is your wife listening to the streams as well?
Nah. Luckily, yeah. I wouldn't be so bold if she was. Not like Raoul's wife. you
Yeah,
know.
if you start tasting some grit in your sandwiches, it's probably powdered glass.
Ooh.
Nice one. Yeah.
It looks like gold is, yeah, just gonna close down my position. Even if it's a small profit, it's still profit. But if it comes down to the
PMI
previous,
You missed the PMIs.
damn, I miss everything today. Fuck.
It's better than expected.
Better than expected. So the economy is an expansion. That means, who knows what does it mean? Anyone?
Yes,
Nick?
30 will go up.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, what does that mean? Yeah, I guess the US economy is going up. It's doing well. They've still got inflation though, so I think that's what we're really worried about. But if the economy is going up, they're not in stagflation. So it means, you know, the US is turning the corner. So yeah, I guess that should be negative for gold. Yeah, I would imagine.
I do agree at some things, and I'm gonna just jump into a buy on US 30. Oh, 3,000 stop loss. Shit, I missed a zero. Oh, better. So at somewhat I do agree, but also that means if the economy is expanding, what is going to happen with inflation?
Increased demand, and then we'll get higher inflation. So
Damn right.
And,
And if there's high inflation, what will the Fed do?
they have to raise interest rates, and that causes another problem. Yeah, I see what you mean. And the big story is we have all this problem with food security and oil, and that's going to get worse, isn't it? So,
but Nick,
yeah.
think a little bit, go 2 steps, think forward. So if demand is increased, no, I'm going too fast. So if the economy is in expansion, and if we know that what is followed by an expansionary expanding economy, so prices are going to go up, that gives green light to the Fed to increase interest rate. If interest rate increase in the public sector, that means with the interest rate, what else is going up?
The interest, well, their loans that they're borrowing.
Think about something else. Think about something else. What does the government do in order to fund the economy? They have several ways to fund it. They can raise taxes, and also they can go out to the market.
Oh, the bonds. So the bond rates, the bond.
Damn right.
So yeah, bond yields go up, and then the government's in big trouble because they got
No. No. The yield is going up, but the yield is going up on the newly issued debt as well. And remember that yields are going opposite than price. So if the yield on the bond goes up, the price goes down. So actually, some way good, some way bad for the government. But if the yield is going up on one of the safest assets in the whole world, what's going to happen in finance? So would you put your money into a risky stock market, or would you go for something fixed?
Oh, yeah. All the banks will be jumping back into bonds. So they need the interest rate from the bonds to pay the interest on people who deposited their money in their bank account, right? And it's a safe bet. And that would in turn drive down the yields as there's increased demand. But yeah.
Also, if the yields are higher on the US government bond, which is considered the safest even though they're swimming in debt, that means that the aggregate demand for bonds is going to increase. So stock market is going down. And if the demand for bonds is increased, yeah, that's going to push the stock market down, because if you weigh two assets, stock market or fixed income, stock market is always risk on. It's riskier. You mentioned already very well that the cost of borrowing is increased for the stocks, for the stock market, the companies in the stock market. Therefore, you know, input cost is going to increase because the inflation, cost of borrowing is going up. So it's really, really bearish for the stock market. And for there's going to be a shift to government bonds. And also, if there's a shift to government bonds, there's going to be an increased demand for US dollar, because the foreign investors need to exchange euros, yens, and also they can borrow in Japanese yen, where the interest rates are much lower. And that is an arbitrage strategy that is used for decades. Traders borrow in Japanese yen, and then they invest in the US stock market, the bond market, sorry. That is, yeah, arbitrage opportunity.
Okay, that's some high level stuff. Thanks for sharing that. I didn't know that anyone could just go and borrow money from a Japanese bank and then start buying US bonds. Obviously, I can't do that, but...
no, it's capital markets, which doesn't have borders. Like in Bloomberg chat, literally, when I was on the fixed income and the equities desk, I had to block and filter the amount of chats I was in, because the brokers would just keep calling me, adding me, because I was on the buy side. They were trying to sell me shit. Well, bonds, sorry. So they would keep calling me, and I had to filter down. And it's not as difficult to borrow money in the capital markets.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Actually, it really isn't that hard to borrow yen at all. Like, even if you walk into a bank, like just like a regular, if you're a regular client in a bank, you can do the same thing too.
Internationally, yes.
How do you get out of the country? If I'm a normal guy, I went to Japan to borrow money, I just can't take out the money, can I?
Oh, no. Let's say if you have a bank account with, let's say, Citibank, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know, they have different levels, and then you can just tell, like, I mean, of course, you have to have certain assets, and then all you need to do is, you can literally tell them you want to borrow yen. They will give you a credit line. They will, of course, they will look at the assets and stuff that you have. They do evaluation, and then they will give you a credit line, maybe a small one, because you're just like a regular client, and then you can borrow yen to do those kind of like option in embedded like kind of deposit thing. Or some people just borrow yen, and then they will borrow yen and convert it to US dollar, and then they will buy the US bonds.
Yeah, but that's not on a high school teacher's salary.
Yeah, I might be. I might not have a chance there. I might win big tomorrow. Who knows? You know.
Yeah, it's. I don't know how much a high school teacher earns, but I guess it's it's decent money for something that adding value to the economy. But what Christine is talking about is more like the high net worth individuals, in my opinion, because opening a credit line, opening a credit line requires capital.
Yeah, I'll find some tomorrow. No worries.
But you know, if you go to the bank, you can get Japanese yen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
But a loan is different. But we did this strategy back when we had some spare money in on the fixed income desk, and we invested the money in bonds, US bonds, Disney, you know, all these fancy stocks, and we had some leftover money. So we were allowed to speculate for $3 million US, which was a really, really tiny amount considered to the portfolio, and the next month they raised it to 5 million. So we did this one as well, that it was literally a carry trade on bonds, borrowed in Japanese yen, and then went to US stocks. And I think we're about to hit the TP again on gold.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't want to interrupt, but yeah, I jumped out and jumped back in because I saw that quick wick. So I was like, oh, this looks good. Big money came back in.
Yeah. However, I'm hoping US30 is gonna go a tad higher so I can cash out. I'm gonna just do quick profits today. I'm not gonna hold it. Make the money, take the money.
Sweet. I'm gonna hold this gold one. It's good risk for me. Stop loss at 1944, and if it's 1988, that's pretty nice. So it might work out.
What's happening on YouTube, guys? 265 viewers, 187 likes. That is epic. Thank you so much. So West Africa Sylvester on YouTube. Please, I'm up 2% on my Forex Fund challenge and I have 7 days left. Do you think I should wait for a free retake? Yes, in my opinion. Shane Pantin. Hi Thomas, do you teach things other than chart analysis in your academy? You know so much valuable info about interest rate, etc. that I haven't found. Yes, I teach belly dancing as well. And yeah, we talk about economics, but I haven't put together a course in economics because that is just too big. But I'm thinking to do one specialized on gold, incorporating CPI, NFP, interest rate, you know, all kind of things. But unfortunately, there's so much happening on the market. Maybe I do one next year or this year. What do you think? Should I do one?
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, man. Branch out. Why not?
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, why not? Maybe I should do like mini-series.
I go for
on
the
YouTube
ballet
as well.
course.
The belly dancing course.
Oh, belly dance. I thought
Yeah.
ballet.
Show off the tummy.
Yeah, I think we need a preview on that.
I'd pay for it, Raul.
Try to imagine Thomas in his tutu.
Tutu, yeah.
The
Did you just hear what B said? B is willing to pay for your dance, Raul.
Yes. But
I
will she
want to
pay
see
enough?
like a Raul and Jimmy showdown though. That would be fun.
Oh.
You remember Aaron? He did it.
He did actually shake
Yes,
his booty.
he did it. In front of the camera.
Yeah, he wasn't a sound kid. He did actually literally did on a morning briefing.
I miss him.
Oh, I thought it was on
I saw
YouTube.
it.
I could have rewatched it.
Oh, B, you would love Aaron. He's a really handsome young guy.
Yes.
And I know you won.
Thanks for being my pimp, Thomas.
No,
Yeah,
not
he had
pimping
a
you
damn
out, but
good analysis.
yeah, we miss you, Aaron. If you listening to this.
Listen, I will send him a DM.
Where is Aaron? What happened with Aaron?
He's having personal responsibilities.
He took over the company from his grandfather. Short said.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he is now CEO.
Yeah, we can put it that way.
Yes. But he was he's a good guy. A lot of humor also. The time that he that we changed our profile pics names. Oh my god.
That was ridiculous.
Or
By the way,
hilarious.
Who's in US 30?
Oh.
I am.
Me?
Jumped in US 500 again.
Raul, that's the same guy with the colorful background.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Thomas.
Yeah, that's it, Aaron.
I noticed US 30 and US 500 move the same way, so whenever you take US 30 positions, I'll jump in the other one because my account isn't as big.
Is Jimmy on the YouTube? Sorry, Jimmy in the Zoom. Jimmy, are you in the Zoom?
I get a message from Noman. You have to congratulate him with his passing phase 1.
Well done, Norman. So Jimmy is on YouTube. I guess you only joined yesterday, but I guess you made some money because you're thanking me on YouTube. So you're welcome. Oh, US 30, come on. Ooh. Breakfast is covered.
Holy fuck.
Expensive breakfast, Thomas.
That's, yeah, it is, but you know, men's got expensive taste.
True.
And we are up 200 likes on YouTube. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Ooh, I'm excited. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm gonna take the day off. Ooh, come on, US 30.
Thomas, can I ask why you came out of gold? I had a call. I missed this whole.
I pulled out because it was coming back to my entry level, and I just wasn't feeling confident. And I booked one profit already on gold, and I don't wanna give back. I don't wanna close the day with losses.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, it's. I wanna go into the weekend. I wanna go into the weekend with, you know, nice only blue screenshot on my MetaTrader.
I took partials on the buy, yeah? I've got a buy still from 47 and I took a sell from 55. And I'll like come back and I'll see this in the middle right now.
Yeah, I think, you know, we have good chances that you saw this big rejection on the previous daily high. And this is why it's important you mark and get into the habit of understanding about what happened on the market yesterday. What was the average price? What was the opening price? What was the closing price? What was the lowest price that the buyers were or the sellers were willing to sell? Because these are important information, and it's worth much more than the candles, because that can confuse you. But if you look at the chart or the previous daily prices, that is way much better. And I think because we're trading above the previous daily high, I think we're gonna go higher. So if it comes back, or even now, you're good to buy, in my opinion. But again, it's way too high to go in a big buy and way too bullish to sell.
Okay.
If
yeah,
that
my
makes
US
sense.
500 trade is flying right now.
Let me just switch back. That is a beautiful trade. Who made some money today?
The rate this is going, I'll be trading US 30 soon if US 500 keeps playing the same way.
Who made some money today with me?
I
Hey,
did.
man. Oh, good. Thanks, man.
Yay!
Yeah, dude. I did.
I'm buzzing. It's Friday tomorrow.
I think I might take tomorrow off.
Good. You deserve it. What is happening? Yep.
Thomas, I
on.
I don't know what moves US30. I think I want to learn to trade it because in the past it has done me dirty, really dirty.
To be honest, US30 is one of the easiest to trade with price action because it respects support and resistance so nice and trend lines. Because every single retail trader who, especially in the US, because you know, trading stocks in the US is like having cereal for breakfast. It's within the everyday life. It's in the culture, and when it starts trending, it's trending for weeks, for months, for years. And if you're go to trading, you're going to see one straight line going up on Nasdaq, on S&P 500 for the past 10 years since the financial crisis. The first thing, if you want to trade if you want to trade indices, which is a representation, you know, it's a bunch of companies which are traded in the stock market, understand the composite, what's in Nasdaq, what's in Dow Jones, and understand the key differences. What is the price weighted average and volume weighted average? Why is it calculated different? That's the first thing before you trade it.
Okay. I think I'm going to take a look at it this weekend and try to back test it and things like that. Do some research.
Yeah, definitely. It's worth it. And we do US30 every single day, and you know, we can start S&P 500 as well.
Nice, I respect that.
Wagwan, brother.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
And you most trades on US30 have been, you know, shorts rather than longs. So I think this is.
Yeah, but why?
No, I know. I'm not criticizing. I mean, obviously that was a clear long, that one.
Yeah, but if you look at US30, so I'm super bearish on US30, but you know, if you have this opportunity to catch 300 points, you know, which is good money, I wouldn't hesitate to take it. But overall, if you look in the bigger picture on the weekly, we know exactly that US30 broke the 200-day moving average, and all the stock market broke the 200-day moving average right here, pulled back, and now it's retracing, and it's going to come back down to the pre-pandemic levels, down to 31,000 this year. Mark my words.
Thomas, you haven't swing any trades this year, right?
Have I? What?
You haven't swing any trades this year?
No. In the past 2 years, swing trading is just a bit difficult since we had the COVID. Asrul Sani, can you give us your MetaTrader MT5 investor account to see your positions? No. Mate, it's not a copy trading service. You have to learn trading. Jimmy's going on weekend. Jimmy said, a lot more than I expected. Thank you, Thomas. I can now bring the ghost to dinner. Yeah, you're gonna make some money, for sure.
Do you hear, B? You get the dinner from Jamie.
No, thank you. Not my type.
Wine Diner 69.
Oh, what has changed? Oh, damn, man.
I was very shocked at Michelle's comments yesterday. I don't know. I'm sure it's just accidental use of, you know, letters.
What did I say?
What did
you
do?
Go back.
Oh, it's Michelle again with her dirty mind.
No.
Every time Michelle says something, it's locked and loaded. It's hilarious.
It's up to the person to interpret, right?
Yeah, we've all still got dirty.
See what I mean?
Especially.
There's a saying in Hungarian that if you say something that has dual meaning, or you can interpret in a juicy way, then the response is, or maybe if you make a joke which is intended to be a bit sexual, but it can be harmless as well, but you know, it has two meaning, you can say, well, naughty who's thinking is juicy, and then the response could be yes, but idiot who's not. So you can always, everything we say can have two different meanings, and usually we do say things with two meanings in this group.
Michelle has mastered the art of innuendos. Amazing.
Michelle is what?
Mastered the art of innuendos.
Oh yeah. Let's have a look what's happening with our old friend Gold.
Again.
Down again.
Up, up.
No, it's down.
It's not it's not gold.
Oh, it's GU. Shit, sorry. I was looking at the wrong chart.
Shit,
like,
man, you
damn.
scared the hell out of me.
I was scared as well, like, whoa, my analysis went into shit. Yeah, it's gonna go higher. Let me switch back to TradingView.
Yeah, I took a buy again, 1953.
Man, it's gonna be a loaded holiday with money.
I hope so.
$215 likes. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, my sell hit break even on my buys plan.
Okay, I'm gonna close down the US 30 position and just gonna watch gold for another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna start my weekend, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a well-deserved weekend.
Yes, nice Tamas, nice Tamas. Alhamdulillah.
Who is it? Jimmy?
Yeah, Jimmy in the house.
Oh, Jimmy, welcome. God.
Oh my god.
I smell trouble.
This is funny. I was searching for this live actually. Then when I went to Discord, the link was there. Oh my god, I've been watching you guys from YouTube. Oh my god.
And how is it being on the other side?
Not good. Not good.
Why?
I love it from the other side. From the Discord side is good.
Okay, so you like to watch the YouTube because it's more interactive, I see. But how is it being in the team for one day? Because you joined yesterday.
Oh, amazing, man. The information from that fundamental side and this educational side is nice. Very, very, very nice.
Did you attend the morning briefing?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we do morning briefings every single day, and you find that link in Discord every single day, 8 AM UK time, smashing out some fundamentals and juicy analysis and entries. So make sure you attend.
Yeah, it's amazing. Now I can bring the girls to dinner now, but I don't know. I think some of them are rejected me.
Oh my god.
B.
Oh my god.
No, thank you. Hard pass.
Oh damn. A hard pass.
B.
B. Interesting.
B, are you listening?
I'm listening. What's up?
I have a job for you. We need to talk. I need you to supervise Jimmy.
Oh hell no! You would have
Keep him under control. Yeah. I mean, I don't know who requires more supervision. It's B or Jimmy, because you know, that was a hot entry yesterday, I have to admit, from both of them.
Hot entry? That's what you call us? Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very, very hot entries, huh?
Bring the girls to the table, my friend.
Oh my god. All right.
Very, very nice.
Oh my god.
Is he really gonna bring it though? Like, really?
Where are you from, Jimmy?
I'm from Brunei Darussalam.
Ah, Darussalam. Yeah. I never had the opportunity to visit. It's beautiful. I've seen some pictures about these golden buildings with the golden roof.
Golden moss. Yeah.
Yeah. It's really nice. But I never had the opportunity to travel there.
Mind asking, Thomas, where is your country, Thomas?
Pipland.
What?
Pipland.
No,
We all from Pipland. There's no, you know, we all
with a
from.
bit of luck, 100 pips.
No, I'm from Hungary.
Oh, Hungary.
Yeah, I lived in UK for. No, come on, Raul. Oh, that was a shit joke. Yeah, I lived in the UK for over 10 years. I used to work as a fixed income trader. Fucking hell, gold is going up. So I was a financier. Worked in M&A, worked in fixed income. Worked in risk management.
Oh, nice. You have experience.
Not enough, but I have experience, yeah. But it's never enough. Who's sitting in gold longs?
Yes.
Oh, this is perfect.
Oh yeah, baby.
Lucky fuckers. Lucky fuckers.
And I added my position not quite ago.
I closed down my gold.
Okay, literally, I'm going to call it for the day because I am up 300,000 today.
Wow.
Rubles.
Wow.
Good job.
So I'm just
Amazing.
I'm really gonna stop and get some sleep.
You can buy some Cartier watches.
Please bring me to dinner, please.
No, that amount of money could even afford a
You could take a lot of Jimmys to dinner for that money.
a kitchen in Hong Kong.
Yeah, take Ginny out for dinner.
Yes, please.
Give him
Yes,
a nice
please.
meal. Take him to McDonald's.
And get a Happy Meal.
Not
Get
more
a
work.
Happy Meal.
Nice happy meal.
Even more harsh. A happy
Wine, dine, and 69.
Yeah, I just want to say to everyone that is trading gold, happy birthday. Everyone, happy birthday.
Yay, brother.
No,
Happy
the
birthday.
reason was I hold some of the position that I longed the other day around like the 1914 and 15s level. I hold some of them, so that's
You
why
still
it was that much. I closed everything now, but I closed some of them today, which was insane. Like some of them were just around 24,000 for just a 10 lots because it was long, like on the 15 and 20 and 25 and some other levels. That's the reason. Other than that, no, I don't really. It's not like every day is like that. But
Well done, Christine.
so-
Well done. Well done for everyone who made some money today. Fantastic trade. For now, those who missed it, for my liking, it's too high to buy, too bullish to sell. Which is my favorite new saying because I can explain that I have no idea where is it gonna go. And it sounds smart. Sean, fuck off. He just asked on YouTube called buy or sell. Cheeky bugger. Is it you on the picture, Sean?
No, I stole it.
Fucking hell, that is a RIP police officer. That is...
Well, it's actually a picture of me and my dog, but the dog won't fit in the little circle. So it's
well,
just
not
me.
surprised with those big guns, but that... Can you... let me just zoom it out on on YouTube, so it's gonna bring in more women into the group. I mean, that impressive. Well done, ladies. What do you think about Sean?
Impressive picture.
That's the full pictures on Discord. They'll
You
be trying to
posted on
steal my
Discord?
dog.
Oh, let me show it on.
Y'all can see it, but I'm nodding. Nod of approval.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I concurred.
What do you think about Sean, ladies?
No,
It's like a
no,
typical
stop that.
stereotype.
Jimmy's got them. Are all Jimmy's.
I like your
Is that
dog.
Photoshop, Sean? or a filter? I'm just joking, my friend.
Oh, you jealous?
Sean, do you have a
Jealous.
Sean? Do you have a girlfriend?
Jimmy, who's calling me?
Do you have a girlfriend, a wife, Jimmy?
Oh, I have a wife already, but I'm searching
No,
for
sorry,
three more,
Sean.
three
Sorry,
more.
not Jimmy. Sean. Sean.
Oh my god.
I'm stuck, Thomas.
Sean, do you have a wife or a girlfriend?
Sean's more worried about traveling and working.
Okay, so it means it's a no. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to be in the
Ladies
same
and gentlemen.
community, yeah.
Hey, come on. It's not though.
If you would like to be in the same community with Mr. Sean, police officer Mr. Sean, go to alphafx.eu.
Oh my god.
Hey, I just want a 10% kickback.
Mate, I create
Sean is
you
your muse now.
Yeah, is my tool now. I'm going to give you an affiliate link. No, I'm trying to get back into the gym, so it's impressive what you built. Well done.
You have to now.
We can't even go to the gym. The gym and the beauty salon or the spa are all closed.
Yeah, you have a lockdown in Hong Kong.
Yeah, at one point you can't even get a haircut because the hair salons are all locked down as well.
You have like some 90% jab rate. Haven't you?
No, not really. No, not yet. Well, people like most of the people that are not vaccinated are the old people and the kids because they
Really?
were all holding out. But like the latest outbreak, most of the people died are the elderly, and we have a few cases where like the kids were around like 3 or 4 years old. So now these two groups are like the elderly people are pretty much semi-forced to take the first vaccination. The kids, because their kids start dying and their parents are freaking out, so now the parents are literally lining up in the clinics and some places to at least get the kids for the first vaccine. And they were saying if 90% of the kids in school are vaccinated and almost 100% of the teachers are vaccinated, then they can start allowing face-to-face teaching again.
Wow, I thought the situation is better, but because it's suddenly, since the war started, the narrative in the news is that Europe is now a safe place to be because the vaccination levels are so high, even though the number of cases is still high, but the number of hospitalizations is somewhat better. Whereas in Asia, I see that, lockdown after lockdown is happening. So I'm really hoping that it's nothing serious and it's gonna go away soon.
Because I think in Asia they try to clear it to the point where there's like 0 cases, versus in Europe or in like other Western countries, they're like, okay, as long as you get like at least 2 vaccines, then you should be okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very big difference in terms of how they wanted to be treated with the positive cases.
Yeah, well, I hope it's gonna end soon. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you made some money this week with the AlphaFX community. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go on my weekend. See you all on Monday, 8 AM for the team, 1 PM for the YouTubers. See you guys.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thanks, Thomas.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And people in YouTube, Thank you so much. We smashed 229 likes, which is absolutely phenomenal. 250 viewers were watching the stream. Really, really good. I hope you made some money. The whole setup was given right on the dot live on YouTube, streamed. So I hope you made some money. Despite it's not financial advice, but I wish you everyone a happy and relaxing weekend. Enjoy the nice weather if you have in your country, and see you all on Monday at 1 p.m. UK time. This is the Alpha FX.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Thank you so much, guys. See you all on Monday.